Hi guys, so I just got my winter box for FabFitFun. I have been doing a subscription for FabFitFun for going on 4 years. After my second baby, I needed something to kind of like rehumanize myself, build in some self-care, and this was one of the ways that I did that, and I have absolutely loved the subscription. But I've also gotten a lot of questions from like friends and family about what it is, what are examples of things I've gotten in it, and honestly, I use a lot of this stuff as gifts for stocking stuffers and birthdays and that kind of stuff. So I thought I'd do an unboxing. Well, I think that you could gift a FabFitFun subscription and that would be like a super sweet gift. There's always a little like FabFitFun magazine, and it's essentially a box of goodies. In the best way. Okay, so on this box did surprise me on everything. You can choose, depending on your subscription, you can choose like what product you get, and it's kind of first come, first serve. Once things sell out, then you only have A, B, and C options, except this is a makeup remover spray. It's kind of interesting actually. Hair essence, quick slick, fancy, a quickie. Then reusable makeup swabs, fancy. Fabric shaver. I love these, so I'm gonna try it. I already have one, but I have gotten superior products in my FabFitFun than maybe what I bought off Amazon. And not saying that you can't buy this on Amazon, but let's see what else we got. Slippers. So I actually super love the slippers I have. So this is an example, like I'll gift this, you know what I mean? So that's now a stocking stuffer for my mother-in-law. Oh, it's a beanie. It's a beanie. I instantly love this. And it's so soft. It's so soft. And see, I should do the stocking stuffer for that, but I'm not. I'm gonna keep it. It's a tote of some sort. Oh, fancy pantsy. It's a car organizer. Like, right? That's definitely what it is. That's definitely what it is. But like, how do you keep it, like its integrity? Oh, you know what? It Velcros to the bottom of your car. Oh, game changer. Anyways. Okay, so that is examples of what you receive in your FabFitFun box. Not sponsored. I just like the subscription and wanted to share. So, hope you guys have a good day.